Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, you might not know that I am currently on a little adventure in the Canadian Rocky Mountains and just woke up this morning in Jasper National Park at Pyramid Lake Resort here. And just wanted to kind of take today to give you guys a tour around the resort while I'm hanging out and show you around, help give you some travel inspiration, and maybe if you're heading this way, this will help you decide if Pyramid Lake Resort would be the right location for you to check out. So if you enjoy some travel content just like this, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's just get this day started with a tour of our room. Our room here is one of 62 rooms here at the Pyramid Lake Resort, and it features 2 queen beds with a private bathroom, as well as a small workspace and closet with TV above, a gas fireplace for those cozy cabin vibes, Keurig coffee machine, and of course a shared balcony off of the front of the room with a small privacy wall and a partial lake and mountain view. Located just 6 kilometers from town, the resort also features an on-site restaurant with beautiful views of the mountains from its windows, a hot tub and sauna, snowshoe, bike and boat rentals, and an outdoor fire pit so that you can warm up after all of your adventures on the lake or in the area. One adventure in particular, which is nice and close by though, is a walk down to Pyramid Island where you can check out the iconic bridge to the island and get some even more expansive views of the lake and surrounding mountains. Okay, so we are out here on Pyramid Island now, and it's actually fairly warm out. Like once we're not having to battle the breezes. I think it's like +1 today, -1 today. Either way, nothing too extreme, especially if you are a Canadian. But yeah, we've been out here in the summer before, but being out here with the lake all frozen over and everything, it's so beautiful. And honestly, like just so quiet. You get the like sound deadening from the snow, and chef's kiss, the perfect way to just spend the morning. Okay, so that is it for me for today and our tour of Pyramid Lake Resort. I really hope that you guys were able to get a feel for what this spot is like. And in the next video, the adventures will continue, so be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Stick around and I'll be sure to link some more content from Jasper in the description down below. And yeah, until I see you next Sunday, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then. Bye guys.